Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Apa? Kenapa?
Kau punya teman-teman yang luar biasa dan kau tahu setiap jalan.
No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Get them back now. We gotta run.
Seriously, that was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TP.
Let me know if anything comes up and you need my help.
I will. Take care, Polly. Oh, they're going to love them so much. Do you think so? I'm so excited to give them the... See, it's okay, boy. Shh, that's a good boy. You guys okay?
Soldier, come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have Papá dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
And he decides when he's done racing. That was the deal. Hi, I'm his lawyer.
That was the day. But you'll never be one of us.
We'll assign one to him. Hey! Anyone want to be his lawyer? ¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Lightning McQueen! Good job! Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axel.
Hi, guys. My name is Gani. Hello, Gani.
Let's dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally.
Oh, sorry,
And has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock. Me be jumping now, man.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
It's futile to resist change, man.
You're right, Fillmore.
Really?
Which is...
Place wasn't the same without you, son.
What? Did he go somewhere?
It's good to be home.
Okay, say something. That was awesome!
Nobody touches him.
En route.
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
I hereby dub thee Sir.
Made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King.
Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years.
Oh, number 7 is loose. Shoot Todoroki.
This is really getting him into the zone.
So getting beat.
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.